In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your bullet points by using arrow symbols in your Word document. This process not only adds a unique touch, but also enhances the visual appeal of your lists, making the document more engaging and easier to navigate. Whether you're preparing a report or crafting a presentation, having arrows as bullets can make your points stand out. To kick things off, identify the list that you want to modify. If you don't have a list yet, place your cursor where you would like to start one. Positioning your cursor correctly is key because any changes you make will apply from that point onwards. Doing this first step well sets the foundation for the customized bullet points you're about to create. Next, direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of your Word window, specifically to the Home tab. This is where you'll find the formatting tools that allow you to bring a fresh look to any text. In the paragraph group, there is an icon for bullets. Click on the small drop-down arrow next to this bullets icon. This drop-down is home to a variety of bullet styles, but for this exercise, we want to forge our own path. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option called Define New Bullet. This is a powerful tool that allows you to introduce new symbols or even pictures as your bullet points. By selecting Define New Bullet, a dialog box will appear, opening up a range of customization options for your bullets. Inside the dialog box, you'll need to click on Symbol. This action will launch another window focusing on the variety of symbols available in Word. It's essentially a treasure trove of icons and styles that you can incorporate into your documents. In the Symbol window, choose a font that contains arrow icons. Fonts like Wingdings, Wingdings 2, or Web Symbols are popular choices because they contain numerous graphical elements, including arrows. As you browse through these fonts, you'll see different types of arrow symbols. Your goal is to identify an arrow that matches the aesthetic you're aiming for in your list. Once you've found a symbol that you like, perhaps a simple arrow like, or something bolder, click on it to select it. This selection process is what lets Word know that this is the symbol you're choosing for your bullets. Finally, click OK to apply your selected arrow symbol as the bullet style. Instantly, your list should reflect this update, animating it with the new arrow bullets you've just set up. And there you have it, a fully customized arrow bullet list that can make any document stand out. This customization can bring clarity and emphasis to your points, ensuring that your audience easily follows along. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you elevate your document formatting game.